This is Edwin Kwan from Sydney, Australia. A significant earthquake recently struck Turkey and Syria. Based on past experiences, such disasters will often be abused. The most common scams are fake donation websites, followed by malware disguised as a video or images from the affected regions. Be vigilant. Only donate to organizations that have an established track record, and don't blindly believe requests for help on social media.
Search for and subscribe to It's 505 wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts.